This video will demonstrate how to install the Philips foldable filter. If you have allergies, we advise to take protective measures, such as wearing a mask and gloves. Begin by removing the folded filter and the 2 rings from the packaging. Set the rings aside for now. Please recycle the packaging. Now, change the oval shape into a round form by gently pressing and rolling it on a flat surface for 5 seconds. Place 1 ring inside the bottom of the filter by gently pressing down on the ring. Then, turn the filter over and insert the second ring into the other side of the filter. Before replacing the assembled filter, switch off and unplug your device. Open the filter compartment as described in your device's manual. Simply replace the old filter with the new one, ensuring the filter is oriented straight up to align with the compartment. Notice the small arrow markers to help you align the housing and lid for proper closing. Once back in place, you can plug the purifier in and turn it on. Check your device's manual to reset the filter replacement notification. Enjoy cleaner air with our new Philips foldable filter, which reduces the environmental footprint with less plastic and smaller packaging.